Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Dark Mesh Sub-Ohm Tank by Advken. The Advken Dark Mesh is a top-fill, bottom airflow sub-ohm tank with a 6 ml e-liquid capacity. The kit comes in a small cardboard box with a magnetic flip-top lid. The kit includes spare O-rings, spare bubble glass, a cleaning cloth, 2 coils, a pre-installed 0.15 ohm triple mesh coil, and a spare 0.15 ohm single mesh coil, and the Dark Mesh sub-ohm tank. The Dark Mesh is made of 304 stainless steel, resin, and carbon fiber. It is 510 threaded with a 25 mm deck. It features a removable 810 drip tip, a slide top cap for filling, and an adjustable bottom airflow. The Dark Mesh tank can hold 5 ml of e-liquid with the triple coils and 6 ml with the single coil. It can be disassembled into 5 main parts for cleaning. To fill with e-liquid, prime the new coil with a few drops of e-liquid. Attach the glass on top and tighten securely. Slide open the fill port and fill to the top with e-liquid. Once full, close the top cap and let the tank sit for a few minutes to let the e-liquid soak into the organic cotton wick. Attach to your favorite device and you're ready to vape. I found the Dark Mesh to be a well-built tank. The machining is smooth and clean. I love the look and design with the knurling on the airflow ring and the notches on the top cap. I haven't tried the single coil yet, but the triple coils really crank out the vapor with excellent flavor. I usually vape around 30 watts, but vaping at 80 watts with the triple coils really provides for a warm, flavorful vaping experience. Overall, I really like this tank, and so far I have no cons with it. The Dark Mesh runs in the $40 range, and it comes in black or stainless steel. If you'd like to pick up the Dark Mesh tank for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.